you guys. Love you guys. And I'm here afraid, guys. It is one of the best elevators in the world. Come on up. Sorry, guys.
For the best view, you come back here and you face this way.
This way?
Yep. There's going to be a show on all the screens.
Oh, okay.
Yes, he is right. He's a genius. There's one upstairs, there's one other. Okay.
Sure, yeah. Okay.
You got the best tour guide ever. He's gonna teach you. Ready, guys?
You do much better than I do, trust me.
Lembra que eu te falei que eles aterraram?
Where is this? What?
Yes, on the Brooklyn Bridge. Não, tô fazendo tudo atrás.
Welcome to One World Observatory.
We're good to go. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dynamic, diverse, and ever-changing, the city and skyline reveal themselves uniquely to each observer. Experience the infinite facets of the city beneath us as you prepare to see forever. invite you to enter One World Observatory through the doors on your right, where a spectacular 360-degree view of the city awaits directly below you.
Okay, now. Have a great afternoon. You're welcome.
Okay, guys, welcome to the world. How you doing, everybody? You guys make sure to bring the information that should be able to help you right downstairs. Today we're dealing with 30,000 buildings, 5 boroughs, 8 bridges. I can tell you bodies of water all around us. You'd like to know what you're seeing around you or right through this window as we speak. This is what it looks like right in front of you as we talk. Right in front of you is the famous Brooklyn Bridge. You see the round one? Okay, all around you is sites you'd like to see. St. Fields, Queens, Little Italy, Chinatown. If you see out the window, this device is put your finger on it for your family and friends. Okay, guys? You do that with all your sites outside. That's you know what you're doing as you walk. Yankee Stadium in the Bronx, it's not from. Being Jennifer Lopez, Hell's Kitchen, Little Italy, New Jersey. With the citation, the real citation, the shop, all that and so much more makes you able to have one. It is a rental of 15 on 5, but you only need one. Your whole family, couple, or your group. They speak out loud, for your home stay in, tell you about all those sites, have a great stay, and enjoy your view. Enjoy the language. Come on, guys, go check out these one brother explorer. You guys know how to get on there.
Parece rua mesmo, parece praça, parece aquele.
Sí, ya no me subí nada más para que no se sintiera. Pero pues llevaba un partido de
experience, just trying to promote safe traffic, please step that right over there. Yeah, you can actually just walk straight right there. Just making sure that like settle here.
Ah, mira, voy a tomar una foto.